So hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you know, my name is Prince and my my supporting partner name is Poonam, and we all are the part of this beautiful institute only. And in this video, we are going to tell you people how we can have a good role play with anyone. When it comes to anyone, so first there will be certain topics in which we are going to have certain roles play, and our topic name would be doctor and patient. So basically, I'll be the part of one doctor. I'll be playing role of a doctor who's be in hospital, and she is coming as a patient and she'll be having certain problem, and we'll be having certain conclusion at the end. So let's watch it.
Could I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in.
Actually, I have a too much problem in my head. I have a too much headache and some problem also, fever, cold. So I want to just treatment to
all
myself.
These problems all of a sudden. Please have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How these all things came to? All of a sudden.
That happens suddenly with me. I don't know which type of the problem I am facing right now, but I have a lot of the problem related to stress and headache at all in my head.
Have you visited to some place?
Yes.
What place?
In the last visiting, I had visited to the Jharkhand and Bihar. I had meted to the lot of the people.
And when did you come back from Jharkhand?
I had come back the Jharkhand last 2 days.
Last 2 days, okay. Maybe the climate you can see, Poonam, is being changed again and again. So this can be the reason that you are not feeling that sufficient from your health. Okay, do let me know what all things you are feeling apart from headache and body pain.
The body pain and something cold and fever. What actually happened with me, I don't know really. Can you treat me at a certain things?
No worry, for sure we'll have certain prescription. Please reach out to the counter and have appointment with the doctor, so that when we'll be meeting in again, so for sure we'll be having certain description on that particular things. Please go to the counter and have appointment.
Okay, I had taken the appointment, and can you help me right now?
Okay, you had already taken the appointment?
Yeah, I had.
No problem, we'll help you out. Okay, can you have the appointment number?
Sure.
Okay. So we'll be requiring certain more details on that for sure, but in the end we'll be providing certain medicines to you, which for sure will help you out with that problem.
Yes.
Okay, what apart from headache, body pain, what did you have in your breakfast?
And breakfast, something fruits.
Fruits only?
Yes.
How about the meal and all?
Orange and something.
But that's not sufficient. No, you need to understand. Okay, you have to have proper diet in the morning only. Otherwise, for sure, there'll be chances to not feel that well as you are feeling right now.
But I was taking the healthy diet. I can say the fruits and nothing more. I had taken. I didn't take the tea as well. I had taken only the fruit.
See, it's 3 o'clock at the mid, no, and you are telling me that you had only fruits only, in that only oranges. Apart from oranges, have you taken anything?
Something bananas and milk.
That's not sufficient. No, you should have done that. No worry, I'll provide you one prescription, which for sure you'll be having relief after having that only. And if there'll be any changes, you won't be feeling good, or if you'll be feeling good as well, do let me know. So that will be covering that in as soon as possible that we can do.
But right now I'm feeling the problem.
But I got that. But you need to wait for certain more time. The prescription that I would give you, the medicines that I'll provide you will give you relief. But for the instant relief, you need to wait certain days as well. You need to take these medicines continuously for 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. That a long time medicine. How can I manage? But I need right now only the medicine.
If you could have wait 2 days to visit to my clinic, so first you could have wait 2 more days.
2 days is long time. I can't wait for 2 days. I'm having the pain right now. So.
I'm not telling you to wait 2 days. I'll provide you medicines right now only. You need to have on certain basic times. At the morning, at the mid, at the night as well. It won't give instant relief, but it will give for certain times.
I'll have to take the 3-time medicine, morning and the afternoon and the night.
Yes. You need to take, because the disease that you are having with yourself, you need to have.
And which type of medicine you will be provide to me?
For sure, that will be overdose only.
And that is not, I think, suitable for my body. How can you suggest to me that medicine?
That won't be that overdose that you will be having. So you would start feeling nervous, or maybe dehydrate from your body. It will be very good, healthy. Healthy.
What is the guarantee is there if the medicine will be not impact on my body, and that will be not harmful for me?
There is no guarantee of medicines. If you are having that medicine will suit your body, so for sure you'll be having certain relief. If not, then we'll change the medicine. This is why in the starting only I had told you to come 2 days after 2 days again, so that will be having certain good result in the as compared to 2 days.
After 2 days, why I will come? I just want to remove my pain right now. Can you give me that medicine which I
Have
can?
you ever visited to any medical shop?
Yeah, definitely. I have.
Then
visited.
why you're talking about? I mean, this is not the solution. At once you cannot have proper relief. You need to understand the medical that we provide. You need to understand that we will be needing at least 2 days to have proper relief. Morning, mid, evening. If you want me to convert in 2 times at a day, so first I will have morning and evening sessions. Otherwise, we can skip that mid one.
And just because of pain, I had forgotten. What is your fees?
Fees, I'll let you know once I'll provide every prescription, or else if you won't be having the prescriptions, of course there will be certain charges to assist you as well.
Can you tell me?
The assist charge
Yes.
is 500 only.
That too much charge, the 500 only, and you will provide me the medicine only for 2 days.
See.
And again I have to come in your hospital.
So
how can I pay the fees?
See, that's the assisted charge. If I'll start having the medical blood samples and XYZ samples from your body, so for that charge will be separately only. This is the charges that I'll take for the assistant only.
And you are not giving to me surety that surely I will get remove my disease, and you are going to treat as like you will be come to the after 2 days and you have to take again medicine. What will I do?
See, for that, let me give you one example. Do you do gym?
No, I don't.
Do you do yoga?
Yes.
You do yoga, right?
Yes.
So on very first day, will you be able to feel fit? No, right? You will continuously doing that thing. So for certain, we'll be needing certain time. We'll be needing at least, we are asking for 2 days only. Some other medicals are also available. We'll be needing your 1 week. Would you able to visit over there for continuously 1 week? You have certain times we are providing you.
But that is too much time, the 2 days, but I am having the pain right now and I want to remove that fast to fast.
See,
in hurry
Poonam,
way.
you need to understand, if you are not having the time, so for sure we cannot commit for 1 day as well. If you want me to provide the prescription for 1 day, I'll provide, but due to overcharge, I cannot commit at the end.
For the headache, cold and fever, you are going to take a long time. Yeah.